So we're gonna do the marinated salmon with the rice menli vegetable mix and a broccoli cauliflower salad. So you're gonna want to get your 2 things of salad mix and then these 2 Atlantic fresh salmons, which I'm gonna cut in half for both. So it'll make it 4 for this prep. And then this island teriyaki marinade, but you can use any marinade you like. Then you're gonna wanna marinate your salmon for about an hour, maybe for a couple of days, just depends on how long you want it for. I put in the chili lime and the marinade and put it in the fridge. To cook the rice vegetables, you wanna use some avocado oil in a pan and then just put them in. Then we're gonna go in with some salt, pepper, lemon pepper, and then the chili lime seasoning for the vegetables. Same salad concept. I'm going to use this salad because it has the carrots in it, and then you just add in your broccoli and cauliflower. Then you're going to put your salmon onto a pan with some tin foil and then make a little slice in between both of them to indicate the 4. And then you're going to want to cook it in the oven on bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Once it's done cooking, this is how it should look, and then I always take a little bite out to make sure it's flaky and not undercooked. And then this should be your end result, your salad, your 4 preps with the salmon, and then your rice menli, which I would do 1 cup or a little less than 1 cup, so it should make about 4 servings of that rice.